Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OPPO K10x. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download my favorite app, which is Send Anywhere. Thanks to it, you will be able to transfer all of your files without any issues. When your apps are ready, open them and set them up by clicking on the same options on both smartphones. Don't worry, I tested it before multiple times. Just hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're done, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you want to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, confirm your choice by hitting OK in Wait pop-up. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, hit scanning icon above user guide on OPPO. Wait for the pop-up, close an ad, and choose while using the app to allow camera access. Then point OPPO's camera at the code and wait. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key, and input all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. Finally, you can connect by hitting Receive button. Now wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!